Is everything working? Yes, it is. Okay, okay, okay. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on shit. So, okay, okay, okay. So I wanted to get a screenshot of this clip right here, so I could throw it right here, right? Because I wanted it, a still version of this clip, right? And so what I would do is I would take out the snipping tool and try to do this, and I would literally just do this, and it was awful. Never do that to yourself. That is literally the worst fucking torture that a human being could feel, is trying to screenshot something like that. When the answer is literally right here. Look, this is a quick tutorial on how to screenshot stuff, right? On how to screenshot a frame. Look, so you go to the frame you want. In this case, it's this frame for me, and you hit copy snapshot to clipboard, okay? And then you literally just are you fucking serious? Okay, anyways, but basically you hit copy to clipboard up here in this little thing, copy snapshot or screenshot, whatever you want to call it, and then you hit save. And then you can just save it anywhere you want, right? And then once you save it, you literally can just import it into your project in Vegas, or you can import it wherever you want. It doesn't even have to be Vegas. You can just go and put it in like Photoshop or some shit if that's where you need it. And it's literally, as you can see, the exact frame. For me, for some reason, the screenshot's darker than, like, here. As you can see, this is the frame that I got, but here for some reason it was darker. That shouldn't happen to you. That's probably just happening to me because I have like 20 different fucking effects on for this project I'm making. So it's probably fucking with the color. But for you, that most likely won't happen unless you have like 30 different effects on your project like me. But yeah, anyways, that was just a quick tutorial. Alright, bye.